Welcome to our channel. Today we how to subscribe to Sentry detailed guide step by step clearly. Navigate to the Sentry website by typing sentry.io in the address bar and hitting enter. Once the home page loads, look for the Get Started button, typically located in the top right corner. Click on the Get Started button to proceed. You will be directed to a sign up page. If you already have an account, you can log in here. If you're new to Sentry, select the option to sign up. Fill in the required information, including your email address and a strong password. After completing the form, click on the Create Account button. Check your email inbox for a verification email from Sentry. Open the email and follow the verification link provided. Once verified, return to the Sentry website and log into your account. Now that you are logged in, you will see an onboarding setup guide. Follow the on-screen prompts to configure your project settings. Choose the framework or language you are using for your project. Complete the necessary setup steps as instructed. Once your project is set up, you can customize your settings further. Select the plan that suits your needs best. Fill in your billing details as required. Review your order summary carefully. Submit your payment information to complete your subscription. After your subscription is confirmed, you will have access to all the features of Sentry. Now you're ready to integrate Sentry into your applications and start monitoring errors effectively. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.